complete. You're happy, content. What nga yun sabi nga dun? Para siyang ngipin na, para siyang kulang na ngipin. What did it say? I forgot. See you, Pangasinan. Happy birthday. Sunset. Good night, Ria. What do you mean about the generation? My birthday wish. Secret. Baka di magkatotoo if alam nyo. So, you know... Ay, sorry. First impressions sa housemates. Okay, let's do this. First impressions sa housemates. So, I'd say first... I'll do it the right order. The first person I saw, Therese, I was like, bro, model, ganda. Tangkad. She was wearing heels, and I was wearing flats, and she was already taller than me, so I looked so short pagka first night. I looked up, and I'm like, bro, body, like model to. And parang siyang mature, like the way she moves. So I didn't know she was 17. I was shocked. Then after that, I saw the three guys, Kuya Dylan, Mark, and Jaren. Kuya Dylan naman, when I saw him, parang familiar at some point. But first impression sa kanya, parang I didn't know he was 24. Yeah, first impression, cool. Naman kang Mark, first impression. I told him this. Like, first impression ko sa kanya, Maldito. I told him. Pero he's so nice pala. We're vibing. One of my close friends in bahay ni Kuya, Marcos. But yeah, yung first impression ko sa kanya. Yung Jaren naman, first impression ko, feel ko lang na parang pasaway. Feel ko lang. Impression lang naman eh. But he's not naman. He's a nice guy. But yun yung impression ko. Next naman, sino ba yung next? Who came after Therese and Rain? KKK? So, Kai, Colette, Kanachi. Kay Kanata, I was like, oh. I think she's a foreigner. Kasi hindi siya masyado nag-talk. But when she ended, she was just smiling. So I was like, can she not speak in Tagalog? So akala ko, she wasn't Filipino. First impression. And then, Kati Colette, first impression ko, makulit. Kasi pagkapasok niya pa lang talaga, tinanggal niya na yung heels niya. Ang kulit. And she lay down on the floor. It's like, damn, Ate Colette is so kulit. And Keisha. First impression ko sa kanya, Maldita. I'm not really Maldita. But I'd say parang Maldita. Kasi sinabi ko sa kanya, pagkapasok niya, I feel like I saw her in Cebu. So I was like, Cebu na? I was like hyped up. I was like, Cebu na? But she didn't notice me. So I was like, hindi ko to bet. Bet ka pala. So, we're close. We're the closest friends, you guys know. Pero, ayun. First impression nga eh. Bet pala, like, as a friend ba? Ano ka ba, oy? Sus. Like, bet ka pala yung personality. We match personality. Parang, we just look at each other, tapos we get it. No, thank you. I continue. First impression, sorry ha. Sorry ha, forgot eh, sorry ha. After KKK, sino ba yun? Ate Jazz, Kuya JM, Kuya Binsoy. Sila ba yung next? Yeah, I think so. First impression, Kuya J, ay Kuya Binsoy. Grabe the energy, tumatalon oy. So akala ko parang host ba kasi ang confident, ang loud, everything. Di pala. Baga lang talaga yung lang. Kuya Binsoy. First impression, I was like, fun guy, fun guy. Tapos, Kuya JM, shy. He was shy kasi nung first night. Ate Jazz, social butterfly. Kasi parang ang dami ng kakilala pagpasok pa lang. So like, dami ng kakilala. That's nice. I wanna get to know her. She sounds fun. Tapos, who's next? Kuya Bricks, Ate Noemi. I was excited to, like, nung first impression ko kang Ate Noemi, fun. Kasi the way she was, like, talking, it's cute and fun. Kuya Bricks, first impression, just because he said his moniker first, si Manluluto. So I was like, then I was just imagining him cooking talaga. Yung first impression ko, chef. And then, after that, Kuya Patrick. First impression ko kay Kuya Patrick, ang daming iniisip. Legit. Like, when he entered the house, he went like, kaya pala daming iniisip. May task pala sila nun. Iyo.